Now that we have created our instance, we'll see how we can connect to it from a Linux or Mac system. Our machine relies on AWS. It's a Linux machine with a public IP address. The port 22 is open to users thanks to the security group. This port 22 will allow us to communicate with the machine thanks to SSH. It's the most important tool when using an AC2 machine. So this will allow us to connect remotely to this machine and administer them with command lines from our computer through the internet. Today we will see how to connect to our instance with our Linux terminal. To connect, we will go back to our instance, we'll find our DNS information, our public IP address, which we'll copy and use to have access to our machine. Go immediately into your terminal. To have access to your machine, you need to type the following command: SSH AC2-user at the IP address of your server. As you connect, you'll be able to find your machine. You'll then be asked to confirm the connection to this unknown machine. Enter yes. A message appears saying permission denied. This is normal since we do not want anyone to connect, and well, that's why we have a key pair. The keys will be used to authenticate yourself to your AC2 machine. Quick reminder, you have downloaded your key. Mine is called My First Instance. It is in PEM format. To connect to your machine, you need to tell SSH to use the key. To do so, type in SSH-I, your key file, AC2-user at the IP address of your machine. You can see what I've typed, just make sure to put the right IP address and key file. Then press enter. You're now in your machine. And you can issue new commands, for example, who am I, which will return the name of the current user. Or we can even ping Google. And as you can see, you have an answer. To exit, you have to type exit or Ctrl-D. That's it. You've learned how to connect to your machine when using Linux or Mac.